A florist had a total of 272 roses and lilies. Okay, and they come in the ratio of 12:5. After selling away twice as many roses as lilies, the ratio of the number of roses to the number of lilies was then 5:2. Alright, so the before ratio, okay, the number of roses to lilies was 12:5. Okay, now after selling away twice as many roses as lilies, the number of roses to number of lilies became 5:2. Alright, so the problem is that 12 minus 5 is equals to 7. Alright, so 12 minus 5 is equals to 7, and 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Now 7 is more than twice the number of units. 7 is more than twice that of 3. Okay, now the reason why I'm actually subtracting 12 and 5 and 2 is because I want to find the number of units that were actually sold with regards to roses as compared to lilies. Alright, so 7, in that sense, if we just compare the ratios, there were 7 units of roses sold, okay, as compared to 3 units of lilies. That's more than twice. So you can't use this technique. Alright, so what you have to do is make some adjustments to the after ratio. Alright, so let's see. Okay, 5:2, if you multiply by 2, is also 10:4. Okay, now if you take 12 minus 10, you see that you get 2. Alright, and if you take 5 minus 4, okay, because these are the lilies, so 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. Okay, so now it looks better. Okay, because it says after selling away twice as many roses as lilies, the ratio of the number of roses to the number of lilies was 10, 5:2. Alright, so you can see here 12, after selling away 2 units it becomes 10. Okay, lily has got 5 units, okay, before selling away. After selling away 1 unit, it's got 4. So 2 is twice that of 1, which satisfies this condition. And 10:4 is also the same as 5:2. So how many roses did she sell? So she sold 2 units of roses. So all we have to do, we know that there are 272 roses and lilies in the ratio of 12:5. So 12 plus 5 is equals to 17. Okay, we take 272 divided by 17. So 272 divided by 17 is equals to 16. Alright, 16 per unit. So how many roses sold? She sold 2 units of roses, so 2 times 16 equals to 32. Alright, so she sold 32 roses. That's the answer.